Today's case takes an unexpected turn right out of the gate. Derek Thomas walks into court, already facing probation violations. But the real shock comes when the judge suspects he may be drunk in the courtroom itself. That's right. Accusations of alcohol use, contradictions about his drinking timeline, and a judge who isn't about to let this slide. Stick around because this hearing spirals into a dramatic clash of honesty, authority, and courtroom control.
Good morning, Derek Allen.
So, we have a problem. Who's this with you?
My wife.
You're charged with violations of probation. Who's Danielle Lawler?
My ex-fiance.
Okay. Hang on, slow down. So they left a note for me. I never like these notes. Smells of booze. Listen, they don't just come in and tell me that just to make up stories. If you want, I'll give you a PBT.
She does.
Listen to me. Listen to me. She does.
And here's the key legal twist. The judge isn't just guessing. A PBT, or preliminary breath test, is a tool courts use to confirm alcohol levels on the spot. Even though Derek tries to downplay it, the judge makes it crystal clear. No case is moving forward if he's intoxicated in front of the bench. Think about it. If you were in Derek's shoes, would you admit the truth here or try to bluff your way through?
What?
She has been trying to keep me out of my
Did you hear what I said?
What's that?
Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
We're not going on this case if you're under the influence.
I'm sure I am.
Well, then let's get a PBT. We'll give it to you, and I'll see whether or not you're being truthful. Now, I want you to understand, while it's reprehensible to have somebody come to court that's intoxicated, there must not have been alcohol involved in this incident because just let me finish.
I'm listening.
You're starting to shake your head already.
No, I'm listening.
Okay. While it's repulsive for somebody to come to court intoxicated, I didn't order you not to drink. This incident of this MDOP must have had nothing to do with alcohol, or I would have ordered it. So you don't need to get all uptight and start acting like I'm going to lock you up. But I am not going on this case if you are at all intoxicated. Now, maybe a couple people just thought you smelled the booze and you weren't drinking. So you will be a lot better off if you're honest with me. And then we'll go on from there and I'll figure out how I'm going to handle this. You got it?
Yes.
Okay.
I do have.
Sir, we're not to that point. We're not talking about the case. All I want to know is, were you drinking before you came to court today? Yes or no?
I drank last night.
Give him a PBT. And then you'll come back in front of me. I have a feeling it's going to reflect worse than that, but
I apologize.
Derek Allen Makunovich, 242-642-916. Your name again?
Derek Allen.
Well, why would you lie to me?
I didn't lie. I told you I drank last night. I didn't sleep.
If you drank, what time did you stop drinking?
I didn't get to sleep.
What time did you stop drinking?
About 10 o'clock.
All right, that was nearly 12 hours ago. Now, I just want to let you in on a secret. If you have an would you say 086? And that was 12 hours ago, you can add about another 1.18. So you're somewhere around 2.6 when you went to sleep. I'm just telling you.
Yeah, I drank quick.
This moment is fascinating. The judge openly admits he's not sure he even has the authority to jail Derek right now. Since drinking wasn't technically a condition of probation, but instead of overstepping, the judge takes a measured approach. He adds new bond conditions on the spot. This is a perfect example of a court balancing fairness with public safety. Do you think the judge should have thrown him in jail immediately, or did he handle it the right way?
Looking to chastise you here. Ma'am, come on up here. Please. Your name?
Lori comment?
I'm not gonna ask if he drove here. Do you have a valid license? Do you drive?
Yes,
You still drive?
yes,
I'm gonna assume you drove him.
yes.
All right. Now, this is problematic for me because I could lock him up right now, probably should. Under what authority? Nah, I don't really know if I have any, to be honest with you. I didn't order him not to consume alcohol. I'm not gonna make my own rules. But I have a concern here when I got somebody who's legally intoxicated. Bring the victim in.
Okay.
Just let me finish here. Your name, ma'am? Ma'am, what's your name, please?
Danielle Lawler?
So I have concerns here. I can't go into it except to say that Mr. Makunovich has been drinking. He's still legally intoxicated as of this point. I'm going to set this for another hearing date. I'm not going to go on and deal with a case where somebody's intoxicated. But I'm really concerned. Ma'am, just relax. Just relax. I'm talking about you, Mrs. What's your name again?
McConnell.
What's your first name?
Lori?
So I hope no alcohol is a condition of your bond.
No.
No illegal drugs. No marijuana. I'm not going to even arraign you right now. I'm just telling you, I'm going to set this for a hearing, but I'm adding a bond condition. I suppose I could get you a lawyer, but I'm not locking you up, and I'm not going to set a cash bond. But no alcohol, no controlled substances, no marijuana. You're to continue to comply with all terms and conditions of probation.
Yes.
Now, I worry about this. Ma'am, you're going to drive home?
Yes,
I have your word on that.
yes,
Because if I see him or I have a court officer tell me that he's driving out of the parking lot, I will call the police.
I
Stop, Mr. Makunovich, stop. Do you work today?
I took off work today.
Is that true, ma'am?
yes, he's not.
So you're not going out of the house, right?
I do all the driving.
Okay. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm rescheduling this. Now, Lisa, why don't you give me another date? I'll just make a note. Defendant appeared intoxicated. Court added bond condition of no alcohol or controlled substances. And again, it's not my practice to order no alcohol if it doesn't have anything to do with this incident. But in this case now, you've shown up here, you're drunk. You can tell me all you want.
May 22nd at 11.
And there you have it. Derek walks out with stricter bond conditions. No alcohol, no marijuana, no controlled substances, period. The judge sets a new hearing and makes it clear. Showing up drunk to court is not only reckless, it puts your entire case at risk. This hearing wasn't about the underlying charges. It became about respect for the courtroom and the law itself. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
22nd at 11. No alcohol, no marijuana, no controlled substances. But this is a big alarm, I hope, for you, sir. Because if you're showing up and you were drinking to the tune of a 2.6, the overwhelming majority of people would be vomiting long before that, okay? Or at least very ill, so that's what I'll do. Ma'am, is that date good with you? Sure, May 26th, you said, Lisa?
May 22nd.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What day is that?
That's a week from tomorrow, so that would be next Thursday.
Yeah.
At 8:30, Lisa?
11.
Oh, at 11. Okay? I have your word, you're driving.
Yes. I see. I do driving.
Okay. Do not go out and drive a motor vehicle, sir. Good luck. Thank you. Thanks, man. Go down the hall. We're going to give you a notice too, and we're going to give you a notice, sir. Abigail Gideon. Abigail Nicole Gideon. 25W838-533.